and welcome to the very first HTML and CSS tutorial. And HTML and CSS is how you make web pages. Now we're going to start by go to your web browser and go to a site called www.jsfiddle.net. That's where we can type our code. Now you can also do this on Notepad and other things, but it's best to do it here because it lets us easily integrate all our stuff together. So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to do HTML. HTML is the language of the web, so it's how they make web pages and blah blah blah. And CSS, which is over here, which is another block we have, is how they style them with colors and stuff. But we'll get into that later. So we'll start by making a doc type. And that tells us how to that tells the web page what language we're doing this in, and in this case HTML. As when we press the run button, nothing pops up since we haven't put anything in. So let's do that. To start the web page, we'll start with a good amount of enters here. You start with an HTML. Now we'll get in. Now these things, these are like these things that I've just put up now. These are called tags, and we put things inside the tags to make a web page. So HTML is the tab that turns on your HTML page. Of course, all tags need to be closed. To close the tag, leave room for some closing. Just put a slash in front of it. HTML. And here's a closed HTML tag. Now inside here, we can type in the very first part of a web page. You can type anything you want as long as it's in quotations. You can put anything you like in there. Run, and it puts it up. Now actually need quotations here, so you can chop those off. And that is the basis of HTML. So what we're going to do is that you can also do some more things to it. We'll start with the italic tag, bold, and that's it. What we're going to do, bold, italic. Oh, with JSFiddle you can also tidy up, which really needs messy code, but that's not how I draw it. I do it like this. So we're going to add an italic tag. Now here I'm going to add a comment, and to make a comment, you just put a hash in. And you can type whatever you like. We can say here, I tag makes things italic. The B tag makes things bold. The U tag makes things underlined. So let's test out some of those tags. We'll start by putting a bold thing an italic tag on. I remember that you can mix tags, and here it's bursting up red because it's not happy with what we're doing. We need to close it. Run it. Really. Get rid of this now. For some reason it's picking it up. Yeah. So I can get rid of this now. So now we're going to add. Now let's put a bold tag on. Now we can put two tags on at once. Watch. So we've got bold, italic. bold, italic. But since the italic tags are inside the bold tag, the I's are inside the B's, we need to close the B tag afterwards. Which we always have to do. Run it. That's bold italic. Now you can finish off by putting a U tag on. And a closing U tag. And that's it. Well, thank you for listening, and if you don't understand most of the stuff that I've done today, don't worry, we'll go into much more clarifications later. But for now, goodbye.